doNC is the equivalent of a flight simulator for a CNC machine. It enables CNC machine operation training to be given on a computer screen at low cost and no danger. doNC costs 1% of the cost of a CNC machine, and there is no consumable cost. There is no risk of injury to the trainee or damage to the machine. There is no difference between what you do on a machine and what you do in doNC. doNC enables training on machine operation at low cost without injuries to the trainee or damage to the machine. Instead of 20 hours on the machine, the trainee spends 16 hours on doNC and 4 hours on the machine. After 16 hours of working on doNC, he knows the console and the setting process thoroughly and will not cause accidents on the machine. When he is working on the machine, he is not learning on the machine. He has already learnt on doNC and is just getting a final feel of the machine. The simulation is very realistic with machine sounds, and chips and coolant are shown. You also get error messages if there is a collision or axis over travel. doNC can work with a regular monitor and mouse or with a touchscreen monitor. It can work with dual monitors, one monitor showing the console and the other showing the machine.